Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for VGX. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. As price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically. We can also go ahead and notice our monthly swing low, as this is the lowest point where price come down, hits, and reverses. And we notice it is holding above this key level. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So, here on the weekly, we can go ahead and plot our swing high here on the candle body closes. We also notice a key level here, so we have multiple reactions acting as resistance. We can go ahead and plot a key level here, multiple reactions acting as support, and we see this long wick here trying to climb around the same key level. So, for our monthly key level, we're going to go ahead and move it down to our weekly swing low as price comes down, hits, reverses, and then we can go ahead and plot a weekly key level here as we have multiple reactions acting to the same key level as support. Now let's go ahead and plot a key level here where we see multiple reactions acting to the same level as resistance, and as price comes up, hits, reverses drastically from this level. Now, let's also go ahead and plot a key level here. So we see multiple reactions acting as resistance. Now, zooming out. These are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly time frame for VGX. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.